Hi everyone, this is Umar from Spectrum BPO. Today I want to talk about a huge update from Amazon that's going to impact every FBA seller starting January 1st, 2026. Amazon has officially announced that it will be no longer provide FBA prep services. That means no more FNSQ labeling, no more polybagging, no more bubble wrapping, and no more prep at fulfillment centers, period. And this doesn't just apply to standard shipment, it also include AWD, AGL, SEND, and even the supply chain portal. Now, from all my years working with Amazon sellers and being one myself, I can tell you that most sellers operating at scale already don't rely on FBA prep, because frankly it is never been reliable. So for many it is not exactly a shock, but here is what is surprising. AWD, Amazon's own hands-off storage and distribution service, is also included in this change. This is a big shift. AWD was designed to make logistics easier, and now it is giving back the responsibility for one of the most error-prone step in the entire fulfillment process. In other words, Amazon doesn't want to slow down operations with prep tasks anymore, and they are telling sellers, if you want FBA speed, you need FBA precision. So what should you do right now is first audit your current workflow. Are you relying on Amazon for even small parts of your prep without realizing? The second one is make a decision. Will you start prepping in-house, or will you outsource to a 3PL that's compliant with Amazon's new expectations? The third one is explore SIPP, ship in product packaging, to skip some of this complexity entirely. And the last, tighten up your supply chain, because after January 1st, if your shipment is not prepped properly, it could be rejected, penalized, or even lost with no reimbursement. So the bottom line is Amazon is shifting from flexibility to efficiency, from we will handle it to you better handle it. And if you want to keep your prime badge and fast delivery times, it is time to adjust your operations accordingly. And if you need any help to understanding how to manage prep, or want to outsource it to a team that already know the game, feel free to reach us out at info@spectrumbpo.com. We are already helping seller transitions smoothly, and we are here for you too. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with any of FBA seller who need to see it or need any help. So more update is coming soon. Stay tuned.